guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. About a week ago I got a PR package from Israelpack, made with love from Israel. This was a PR box that was sent to me. This is a new subscription box that is $99. There will be a code down in the description box, along with the video of me unboxing this box down in the description box. But with this, when they reached out to me to see if I wanted to review this box, I said, of course, I don't get much PR, so a subscription box, why not? But in doing so, when I received the box, I asked for a second box for a giveaway. I did not want to do the same box, which is why I waited. In that box, this is what we received, or all of the things we received. And in doing so, it made this dish right here, which is shakshuka. It's a staple of the Israel breakfast menu. The dish is a mix of crushed tomatoes, cooked down to a thick sauce and dotted with eggs. So when I unboxed that, I said that I would be doing or making this dish. So I did that. Here it is. It is still warm, but this is what it turned out to look like. It looks pretty good. It's a little different, but I wanted to come on here and try it with y'all and tell you about the giveaway so that one of y'all can try out this amazing box. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of that out of there, and we're going to try it together on camera, and then I'm going to go over the rules and the details and tell you when it ends and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and try some of this. So there's what it looks like, and it looks pretty good. You can see it's still hot. So I'm gonna see if I can, okay, it's a soft yolk, which is fine with me. And Miss Chloe is in here, so I'm sure that we are going to be sharing. But I wanted to try this. I said on the unboxing that I was going to make this dish and try it, since it did come all the way from Israel. They were nice enough to send it to me, so I can always make it and try it and give it my 2 cents. I'm not big on tomatoes, but doesn't mean I won't eat them. It's just not something I particularly like in my food. But they said you can eat this with pita or flatbread. So there's what it looks like once we get it all cut up. There are 4 eggs, 1 onion, 1 yellow bell pepper, which I used an orange one, 2 tomatoes, half a cup of the tomato spread that came in the box, 3 tablespoons of the olive oil that came in the box, 2 cloves of garlic, the half teaspoon of hot paprika. I did not use, I don't do spicy food, and then fresh parsley. So let's go ahead and try this, and then we will go over the giveaway things and all that. It's really not bad. I don't know if I would eat it for breakfast, but I would definitely eat it. Alright, I'm gonna have one more bite. And then I'm going to give Chloe a bite. Yeah, it's pretty good. What do you think about that, Bug? Buggy approves too. Alright, so I am glad I finally made that. It was way different than I thought it was going to be upon going in to make it. So today is Friday, June 5th. I am going to run this. This will come out on Sunday the 7th. And then I'm going to close this out on the 15th of June, which is a Monday. That way you can get, I believe it will be July's box or perhaps June's box. Now the box that I received was from May. So that is why I did give it a little time, so that y'all would get a different box and be able to try out things that nobody got to see. So with that, this will run until the 15th of June. And then upon that, I will do a random comment picker. Please put in the comments to enter me. And per YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. This is solely based on me and Israelpack. They are not liable or held responsible for anything. I am not paying for this box. This will be given away by Israelpack through me. And that is my giveaway. So I do hope that you do go and check out the unboxing of this box. It will be in the description box. The breakfast, the shishaka, is not bad. I would definitely eat it. It has a pretty good taste. I did enjoy the box. It was something different. So do enter the giveaway. And that is all I have for y'all today. Short and sweet. So thank you for tuning in, spending a couple minutes of your day with me. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.